Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. She's getting some color put into her pixie. So she's got the pop of color going here. Beautiful red mixed in with the black. And I love how this is mainly featured within her bangs. This is just such a unique, fun, edgy style. So cute. And then we have an undercut pixie bob cut here. She's got the design going there on the side. This is another fun, unique, edgy style idea. Followed by this red pixie cuts. One of my favorite trends for the fall is definitely red. And then we move into more of a classic bob style. Followed by a curly bob cut. And then we have another pixie. This one features some curly bangs. And then we have a color switch up with this blonde pixie makeover. Wow. Gorgeous pixie haircuts. I love her hair color. So pretty. And then we have another 90s inspired bob. Next up, we have a hair transformation. So she has hair here around mid-back length. Looks like she wants to get a bob. And the bob is definitely by far the most popular hairstyle that we are seeing this fall season. It looks like she is going to donate the hair. Nice classic bob makeover. Simple and chic. And he did put a few tousled waves in there as well. Reverse color melt. Ooh. She's going blonde with some color here. Oh, she went completely, okay. So she went completely purple. Wow, this is a dramatic hairstyle change. And she got a cute pixie bob with a curly texture. Very nice. And then we have like a lavender mullet style. Wow, this is so edgy. I love the drama behind this look. The color, the cut. Very nice. And then here we have a cut refresh of a pixie cut. Nice play on a classic Pixie. And then we have more of a dramatic variation here. I like how she has her natural texture. He did blow the hair out. But she can wear it either way. She can wear it straight. She can wear it with the texture. A nice amount of versatility. Wow, she has extremely thick hair for this next one. Looks like she's getting a bob. Ooh, a nice classic bob makeover. And just around the jawline. Oh wow, look at this mullet. So we're seeing a lot of mullets in today's video. I love the red color mixed in here. Love, love, love this haircut. And then we have a brown Pixie. She decided to switch it up with more of an ash blonde. I like the blonde better on her. Very becoming. And we'll leave off today's video with another mullet variation. I thought that the color for this one was really cool. Definitely something edgy and different. Kind of reminds me of like fire. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.